Hey, what is going on, guys? Cesar here. If you are looking information about the 123 profit system, you are in the right place. Now, let me give it to you all the details about this new brand system. So, first of all, this business model has nothing to do with e-commerce or the IM niche. IM stands for internet marketing. Now, these are the important dates you need to know. They're going to do a pre-launch on January 4th. The card is going to open on January 10th and the card is going to close on January 19th. Now, what is the 123 profit system? So I have here the information. So this is a very unique spin on generating large commissions online, and no one in the industry is doing anything like it. So in fact, this method is so effective and it's generating their company up to $10,000 per day. So who is behind this method? If we scroll down, let me show you. Aidan Booth is a person who made his millions with a few internet marketing platforms, and you will be shocked to know that he runs over 1,500 websites. Yeah. And additionally, Aidan started in 2006 with the idea of building a small income stream that would allow him to be geographically independent. Within a couple of years, he had managed to build a consistent online income of more than $20,000 a month. So, this person knows what is he talking about when he teaches people how to launch online businesses. Now, this method is a twist on CPA marketing. So what is CPA? CPA stands for cost per acquisition, and it's simple, easy to run, and people don't need to deal with customer support, suppliers, product inventory, or any of the usual headaches. Now, write in the comments what do you think about this information, because when I read this, I think about affiliate marketing. I don't know about you guys, but I think they are talking about that business model. So in fact, you don't need to sell anything at all. All people need is a simple little web page with as little as 27 words on it. Now, this little web page for me is an opt-in page. Now, let me show you. So this is an example of an opt-in page, and you can build as many as you want for the products you are promoting. Now, this is for a product. The name is Freedom Breakthrough 2.0, and basically this is a educational platform that teaches people how to launch affiliate marketing business from home. And if they are interested about this system and want to know more about it, they can download a free ebook, the 7 steps to become a super affiliate. And when they click here, they can put their name, their email address, and if they want, their phone number. So we collect that information and we put that link on an automation workflow. And what is that? So we use a software to send emails automatically to help those people to achieve their goals. In this case, is launching a successful affiliate marketing business. Now, this is an opt-in page. Let me click here. So, Aidan is talking about here about targeted. We are going to target free traffic, and that's it. And other thing that you need to know, guys, is affiliate marketing is promoting other people's products. And when someone buys through your affiliate link, you are going to earn an affiliate marketing commission. Now, this product is a high ticket product. And if you want to know more about the system or the 1, 2, 3, profit system, you can click the links in the description and I will be sending you all the updates about this new training of Aidan Booth. Now, that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed, and talk to you soon.